It makes me cry.
I'm a hunter, tracks in the snow, and I'm friends with the cold rain and thunder, frozen in my bones.
Oh wow! I love this sound. It makes me cry.
Oh yeah, you're so emotional.
Oh wow! I should get one.
It's good, right? I just got this ukulele, guys, by the way, at a private store right across the street from Ilukai Hotel. And it got a pretty good deal on it. It's $25.
Wow! I should play
Sounds
any
good.
instrument. It matches with your T-shirt. I love you. You should get an electric guitar.
You're probably right. This is I'm gonna practice with this first. So this is our last full day in Hawaii. We had a few different options of what to do. One of them was go to Pearl Harbor or to downtown Honolulu, and the other one was go to North Shore, which was recommended by many people. Of course, there are many other options that I didn't take into consideration. One of them, which is hiking Manoa Falls, didn't really want to do that since it's dry season right now. And also you can go to Lanikai Beach, which is on the other side of the island. I mean, we'll just stick to probably just exploring downtown Honolulu. We feel that's the best option, right? I mean, it's our last day, so we just want to take it easy. We don't want to go too far out or do anything crazy. We did plenty of hiking on the trip, so you know, we're gonna do a walk. We'll show you a bit of the city, what it has to offer. So this is the art district of downtown Honolulu.
I'm a hunter with an arrow in my hand. Hear the shadows follow me over the hills in the evergreen. Trade my soul for a chance to carry on into the wild. Na 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 na. Into the wild. To the wild. Into the wild.
This looks really realistic.
Hidden fortress. I'm the attack and there's no going back. Hearing voices calling out my name. Got them path laid out in front of me. Sharp knife, headstrong, no time to think. I'm a huntress. I don't know who I am. Hear the shadows follow me over the hills in the evergreen. Trade my soul for a chance to carry on into the wild. To the wild. Into the wild. Na 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 na. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Into the wild.
Really nice. Feels like you're inside the ocean. Alright, that's about it. A few more murals that I didn't show. Didn't see them before. I love that one with the face looking up. We got a delicious strawberry shaved ice. It's like a snowdy. It's mixed with a smoothie and a shaved ice combined. We got it from that truck right over there. Alright, so I got a delicious fish taco, which is made from swordfish. And Jennifer got the chicken quesadilla or
Chicken taco.
just street taco. Yeah.
Street taco.
And we added some delicious pineapple hot sauce which they name it as porn star for some reason. And each hot sauce has different names. One of them is called Ass Reaper. Oh, you didn't want to try that one. Anyway, let's dig in. See how it tastes. This looks really good. Mmm. Wow. A lot of different flavors all in one. Like you have spicy, you got sour, it's tangy. It is so good. It's probably the best taco I've ever had.
They have guacamole in it.
Yeah.
Nice. Love it. Mmm.
Is it better than the fish tacos we had at the restaurant? But you gotta try mine
This is
too.
a chicken.
Yeah. You gotta try mine as well. Try this one.
It's delicious. Wow. It has sauce, hot sauce.
I didn't put too much, but yeah. Very juicy. Good, huh? Oh my.
Delicious.
Oh, they're together now.
They're going to mate.
The lovers are together. How cute. Yeah? Where? Oh yeah, I see that. Wow, look at that. Here are the babies.
That's the rooster for all these things.
There they are. Oh, that's so cute. Just take a look at how low the sign is. I've never seen it. I think I might hit my... It's a little higher. It's like another foot higher, but it's pretty low. We have finally made it to Lolani Palace. It says closed to the public from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. So we made it on time. It's about 3:30 or so. And there's almost nobody here. Yeah, it says do not enter, alarm will sound, so there's no way to get in. And our last stop for today is the King Hamiha statue. As you can see, he had his own castle. His wife lived across the street over there. She had her own property. Actually, I'm not sure if that's true. Don't take that as a serious fact, because it's not a fact. But this is him right here. All clothed in gold. And a beautiful residence as well. Look at that, they leave a bunch of the necklaces right over here. Look, you should take that one. That one is nice. Let me see. Gorgeous. This is before all the tourists came to this island. He was in power. And before the United States bought the islands. You can see another picture here. We're showing people coming to the island. And there's another one behind. Wow. Yeah, there we go. Not sure what this depicts, but it seems kind of interesting.
Don't go on there.
Oh, we can't go?
Take pictures from here, sir.
Anyway, onward to Waikiki. We are tired. We might hit up the pool for a bit, or might just... What do you want to do?
Watch a movie.
She wants to watch a movie.
That's not fun.
That's like an old lady thing to do on vacation. Actually, we do watch movies. We have Netflix in the room, and we saw like already 2 or 3 movies so far.
Don't put that
But we
in
do
the
it at
video.
night though. We do it at night. Me and Jennifer love the shaved ice that we had earlier so much that we decided to get the most popular shaved ice here in Hawaii. It's called Monster.
Ice Monster.
Ice Monster.
Here.
It's right over here. Oh, that looks good. Alright, so we just got the mango flavor. They add some milk. What is it called again? A milk cream.
On top.
And the mangoes, you got real mangoes on there. And this is some sort of a cream in here. So let's take a bite.
No way.
Oh my god. Sorry. Wow. Very good. I dropped that piece right there.
Okay.
Sorry. It is very good. Got the ice monster right here. Check it out. Trying some banana. We got the acai and the banana flavored one. This particular place does not include any dairy, it's non-dairy, and it's all made from bananas. And they include flavors. I got some strawberries on there and honey on top. Let's try it out. Today we're trying out all types of things. I mean, different types of desserts and food. Very natural. No sugar at all. It's very natural. Tastes very good. Pretty good. Another perfect way to end the day, capturing the sunset right off Waikiki Beach. Look at those colors. This camera just doesn't capture it perfectly, but it's really good in real life. Wow, look at the waves over here. Can we get on there? You want to go over here? Thanks for joining us. And we'll see you guys on the next adventure.
Trip. Yeah.
Trip. She's trying to change it up. Alright. Peace out, guys.
Oh.